For 5 years, professional creators have been living in a world of compromises. We've been forced to choose between the all-in-one convenience of the consumer-grade 24-inch iMac or the expensive cable-cluttered mess of a Mac Studio paired with a studio display. Apple told us the 27-inch form factor was dead. They told us if we wanted pro power, we had to buy a silver box and a separate screen. But as we sit here in 2026, the silence from Cupertino has finally been broken. The leaks are no longer just rumors, they are a flood. From supply chain blueprints in Taiwan to kernel code found in the latest macOS Tahoe beta, the message is clear. The iMac Pro is coming back. And it is not coming back to play nice. This is the story of the 32-inch M5 Max iMac Pro. The machine that is about to make the Mac Pro tower obsolete and redefine what a pro workstation looks like in the age of local AI. If you've been holding on to your 2017 Intel iMac Pro or that final 2020 27-inch model, waiting for a reason to upgrade, this is it. Apple has spent the last half-decade perfecting the thermal architecture and the silicon efficiency required to do the unthinkable, cramming the most powerful chip they've ever made into a chassis thinner than a deck of cards. Let's talk about the big screen everyone has been begging for. The 2026 iMac Pro is finally moving to a 32-inch canvas. But this isn't just a larger version of the 24-inch display. Leaks suggest Apple is using a Tandem mini LED panel, a tech they pioneered on the iPad Pro and refined for the 2026 MacBook Pros. We are talking about 1,600 nits of peak brightness and a 1:0:0:0:0:0:1 contrast ratio. This is effectively a Pro Display XDR built directly into your computer. But there's a secret hidden in the glass. For the first time on an iMac, we are seeing references to Nanotexture 2.0. This isn't just about glare reduction, it's a new coating that improves touch sensitivity. Yes, you heard that right. While Apple has resisted touch on the Mac for years, the 2026 iMac Pro is rumored to support Apple Pencil Pro gestures. Imagine being a photo editor or a 3D artist and being able to reach out and manipulate your canvas with the precision of a pencil, while the M5 Max chip handles the heavy lifting in the background. Speaking of the M5 Max, this is where things get scary for the competition. The M5 Max isn't just a spec bump, it is a fundamental shift in architecture. Built on TSMC's N2 2nm process, the M5 Max features what Apple calls super cores. These cores are designed for one thing: local intelligence. As we move into 2026, AI has shifted from the cloud to the desktop. If you are a developer, a scientist, or a video editor, you need to run large language models locally for privacy and speed. The M5 Max in the iMac Pro is rumored to feature a 60-core GPU and a massive 128 GB of unified memory as a standard starting point for the Pro model. This allows the iMac Pro to run models with 70 billion parameters in real time. It's not just a computer, it's a private AI server sitting on your desk. But how do you cool a 2nm M5 Max in an all-in-one body? This has been the engineering hurdle that kept this machine in the labs for years. The solution for 2026 is a dual-phase vapor chamber system. Unlike the